So we're here at IFA where we just had the IFA Next pitch battle. And Miriam, your company, The Blood, was one of hundreds of applicants. 50 companies were selected to be able to pitch here at IFA Next. And you were one of the 8 finalists today. How was this whole experience valuable for The Blood in honing your pitch and being attractive to investors and clients?
I feel very honored that I had the chance to pitch here today and last week. It's an incredible experience. I feel like I learn a lot with every pitch that I do in front of an audience. It's good practice for me. There was actually a lot of high quality contacts, I would say, that I got from it.
Oh, great.
So a great investors network. I had great conversations. So I'm very happy.
Did you think that the format was great for you in terms of the questions the judges were asking, and what insights did you gain from the current value proposition of The Blood that you didn't have beforehand?
I think it's always very depending on the audience that is there. Usually when we speak to more tech investors, this can be a very medical topic, and this can go very much into tech.
Oh, right, into the deep tech.
Into the deep tech, yeah. I feel like here it's more broad.
What in your own personal journey made The Blood an important thing for you to think about starting up? And why are you so passionate about it?
So my co-founder and I both have very personal healthcare journeys. She has been diagnosed with endometriosis, which is a chronic condition, but actually just when we already started the company. And I had 4 operations on my ovaries. So I had a long journey with lots of pain. I tried different methods to help me ease my problem, but there's no real solution out there, and there's a huge gap in data when it comes to women's health. So we aim to close this so-called gender data gap and use menstrual blood for it.
Wellness and longevity are on everyone's minds these days, and The Blood is hitting a really important and, as you say, very underserved market. What do you think is going to be the adoption rate, and how do you convince people that The Blood is going to be a solution that should be mass adopted?
There's a huge market, and it affects women or people that menstruate in all ages, from a very young age to a very old age when you stop having your period. And understanding your menstrual cycle and how it reacts to nutrition, to lifestyle, to sports is so crucial to live a healthy life. And we just feel that it's insane that it has been overlooked until now.
And there's no doubt that it is so much needed, but getting healthcare systems that are so heavily regulated to adopt new technologies and new solutions that are just so obviously needed, like The Blood, is very difficult. So how are you overcoming the challenges?
We try to speak to as many people as possible. In the beginning, when we started 2 years ago, no one was believing that this is possible. And the answer is, well, why someone would have done this? Why is this not happening? And there's various reasons why. And it's just important to bring knowledge to people, to educate why this is an important space, to tell the story, and just to continue doing it.